Hello traders. In today's video, we are exploring the Navarro 200 harmonic pattern. This is an advanced Fibonacci-based chart pattern with specific ratio requirements that define its 5-point structure. At this point, I'll load the harmonic indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so there we have it. On the chart, the Navarro 200 pattern forms a 5-point structure labeled X, A, B, C, and D. Each leg of the pattern must meet specific Fibonacci ratio criteria. The XA leg sets the foundation, and subsequent legs are measured as retracements or extensions of previous legs. When all the ratios align correctly, the pattern is considered complete at point D, which some traders view as a potential area of interest. Traders use Fibonacci measurement tools to check whether the ratios between the legs match the pattern's requirements. Automated harmonic pattern scanners, like this one, can also identify this pattern with settings for ratio tolerance and minimum pattern size. So who's this for? This pattern is suited for traders experienced with harmonic analysis and Fibonacci ratios. It is an analytical concept only and does not execute trades. Harmonic patterns are subjective, and the strict ratio requirements mean the pattern appears infrequently. When it does appear, the anticipated reaction at point D is not guaranteed. Always use additional confluence and risk management. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.